Welcome back to Barabas Gist.
People, no be small thing o. As e start right now, they say that one part of Nigeria, they say that the bandits don't finally take am over. The place where they call Kwara State is gone. Fulani and bandits, Boko Haram have taken over Kwara State. I will show you the video. No single soul in that place anymore. Everybody have abandoned their house. Every offices, anything you see in Kwara State is completely gone. A pastor don't review how Nigeria is going to split very soon, as he claimed for this video, and also call for unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I go play the videos, but let us go and see Kwara State, how it look like now, waiting they go on for inside there before we jump inside other Ogbonge news we will get for hand. Stay tuned.
We are in trouble. We are in trouble. Big one. Big one. Kwara State have been captured by these bandits. Bandits have captured Kwara State. I go lie for you. Matologasi. I go lie for you. Go to Oreke. Babanla. Nobody is there. People have left their homes. Nigerians are now leaving their homes. In Babanla, they have left. Gamu, nobody is there. One single person, nobody is there. They have all left. Nobody is in Gamu. Nobody. Odumampulu Foyan there in Gamu. Bazaka Samu mutum there. Agamu Bazaka Samu. Go to Miana Kira Sango. That one a hot zone. No go area. In fact, day before yesterday, on the 25th of August 2025, that's day before yesterday, they captured 2 DSS there. The media will not tell you. They captured 2 DSS and burned their healers. If you are from Sango, confirm it. 2 DSS were kidnapped there. I don't even know if somebody is still there to confirm it. They kidnapped 2 DSS. As I'm talking to, they are still there, kidnapped. They are covering it. They hold 2 DSS from Olam for Sango. And every media is quiet about these things. These people are taking over Kwara State. Those villagers are helpless. They can't do anything. They don't even have money to buy. It's like I will start fundraising here. You understand? To start go at least afford this toka. This toka. Take it to villages for them to protect themselves with it. And we will go arrange people who will train them how to use it. Protect yourself with this thing. Now, I will start very soon, because it's getting very worst. It is getting worst. People are leaving their homes because of banditry, and the government is quiet. Federal government of bandit forsake.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Nanoku, a community under Patigi local government, Kwara State, Nigeria. We are the members of this community, and as you can see, nobody in this community, everybody has fled for his or her life, for the safety of their lives. Everybody has left the community. As you can see, the status at which the community is now is devastating, because nobody in this community, as you can see, this community has the capacity of about over 1,000 people, and as you can see, you cannot find a single person in this community. Everybody has left because bandits and kidnappers are coming in day after day to terrorize us and kidnap people. As you can see, currently 3 of our members are in their custody. They are demanding for hundreds of millions for them to free those that are in their custody. As you can see, this is our church. This church has capacity of more than 1,000 people, and as you can see, no single person in this church today. Today is Sunday, and no single person in the community that will go into the church and pray, because everybody has left. As you can see, this community is devastating day after day. About 10 days ago, they have been running for their lives. Some people do come in the daylight. They will come and take care of their farm product. But now you cannot even go to farm. You could not go to farm because they will come into your farm and kidnap you, and they will be demanding for a ransom of hundreds of millions. Please, we are pleading to the government of Kwara State and the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the chairman of particular local government that they should come to our aid and rescue us from the hands of these people. Because as you can see, many of our farm products are there. They are done for harvest and we could not harvest them because when you go to farm, they will come for you and they will kidnap you. If you refuse to follow them, they will shoot you and eliminate your life. See, and what they are demanding for is what we cannot afford. Millions of, hundreds of millions, millions of nairas is what they are demanding for, and we cannot afford for it. How do they want us to survive? And we have been pleading to the Kwara State government, the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and even the local government that they should come to our aid. They should send down security personnel that they will come and secure the village. And they do not listen. They don't act into our request. We don't know what we have done to them. They refuse to come to our aid. Please and please, we are pleading to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Kwara State government, and the chairman of party local government that they should come to our aid and rescue us from the hands of these people. As you can see, the whole community is empty. No single person in this community. Even I that is speaking presently, I just sneak in this afternoon to come and see the status of the community. And to be honest with you, nobody in this community, I'm telling you, no single person in the community, the whole community is empty. All the houses are there, but no single person in the houses. We don't know what we have done to the government. And they refuse to come to our aid. These people are terrorizing us day by day. More than 15 days now, these people have been terrorizing us. About a month ago, they come and eliminate some people in the community. We do not care. We take it at that maybe it is over. But now what they are doing to us is worse than what they have been doing before. Day after day, they do come in. They will eliminate. They will kill. And even some of your valuables, they will carry them away. We don't know what we can do anymore. If you have a new bike in this community now, you are in danger because they will be hunting after you day after day. They will be monitoring your movement. Once they know they see you where they could not, where nobody is around, they will attack you and collect your bike. And those people, they are in the bush. They are in the bush coming with sophisticated weapons. They have sophisticated weapons that we do not have. How can we confront them? We can't confront them. And even present as I'm speaking with you, I am in the compound of the village head. As you can see, no single person, even the village head, is not in the community, because everybody fled for their life. Everybody is no more in this community. Please, I'm pleading to the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Kwara State government and the chairman of particular local government that they should come and rescue us from the hand of these people. These people, they are boasting day after day. And even though if you try to comfort them, they will send a message to you that since you said that you are powerful, you can comfort them. They are coming back for you. What could you do again? It's for you to run for your life, for your safety. We don't know what we have done to the government. Maybe they don't care about us or what happened. We don't know, but we are pleading that they should come.
Mark my word. I am seeing Yoruba separate, Biafra separate, Arewa separate. Separate. It's coming. It will happen soon. Separate. Separate. I'm not being partial. I'm not supporting anybody. Say it the way it is. That is why I want to advise and tell Tinubu the honest truth. Stop playing politics with Nnamdi Kanu detention. It's politics. It's politics. That's what the law says. If you don't like, turn it to anything. Release him. Nnamdi Kanu, either you detain or you doesn't detain him, you keep him, you doesn't keep him, does not give you any victory. But keeping him there is like hatred. Let's be honest to ourselves. Hatred. What has he done? If he don't have done anything, take him to court. But delaying him, no, it's dangerous. Let them work on this. Very important.
Most of you do not know what is going on in Nigeria because the area where you are living, there is no problem or nothing is happening in that particular side you are living. So for that, you don't know what is happening. When you see a video, you'll be asking, now lie. Some of them will come to my DM or they will come to the comment section and start writing fake news. And I will laugh them in French. Zeku beaucoup, zeku beaucoup. That's how they laugh them. Because the day where it go reach you, may you try come write for my DM, tell us say na fake news. Yes, now what you guys good at? You don't know what is happening in Nigeria today. Let me tell you, when you come to Southeast, a lot of villages like Osumohu, a lot of villages in Awomama, a lot of villages in Okigwe, nobody is there anymore. I posted that video yesterday. Go and verify. People have abandoned their village. Then what is chasing them there? There's two things that is chasing them there. The Nigerian military. Other ones say they are afraid of unknown government. Why other ones flee? Because of the assault of Nigeria military that place. Now, in northern part of Nigeria, the bandits are pushing hard to take over. Why the Nigeria army are not sending troops the way they float them inside the Igbo land in that areas? I remember the word Mazina the Kalu said. He said that we are going to draw your attention to Southeast and we'll draw your army. When you leave to come to buy people in Southeast, your home will be taken over. That is what is happening today in Nigeria. Please share this video. Drop your own opinion inside comment section. Make sure that this video get to whoever wanted to see what is happening currently. Kwara, when you hear Kwara, Kwara is completely gone. Kwara is gone. It's gone from bandits. That is how they colonize and take over some part of north. Fulani capture some part of northern Nigeria today, especially the Hausa people. That is what is happening. And the same thing they want to bring to Igbo land. The same thing they have brought all over in Nigeria. They are spreading fast. If not is the God intervention. If it is not because of the men who sacrifice and say no, we have the same story would have happened either in Enugu or in Imo State or in Aba or in Abia State or in Ebonyi State. But however, let's share this video and talk about this thing that is happening in comment section. Don't forget say see there for Balaba Jesus. As they watch, make sure they share the video so that other people go to get the information.